Now, it looks a massive drop, but actually from the point, sorry, I'm upside down, the point to there is a 1/4 inch difference. So you measure from your roll up there, it's actually a 1/4 inch. See? So it's a 1/4 inch slap. So people are saying it's going to slap too violently. I can't see that myself because it's modern day technology. And modern day technology is giving us the dimmer switch, or in this case a dimmer plug. So I've made this so it fits on there without the leave. So I'm just going to do a flat spot there, or a pinhole, and we're going to drop a grub screw into it, and that is it. That's finished. That's all it's going to do. I'm leaving that because I might just fit another steadying arm on it. So this will be, oh yeah, this is my demo. This is coming up there, lifting and letting it slap. Alright, so it'll lift it up to there and then whap. Whap, 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 whap. Don't you just love theories? We'll put a grub screw in. So I'm just going to make sure that's on there. So I'm going to just grab that in the vise. Like that. We're talking about that. It's called a grub screw. All indie thing, man. That's the fucker. Okay. 45 minutes later. Stick that in there. And then just start singing a whole happy song. Oh man, river, he just keeps rolling. He just keeps rolling. That old man river. It's a good film, isn't it? So that fits in there. But first of all, I'm just going to do a little flat spot. And that goes on your flat spot. Go in there now. And lock it off. You've got to make a bed for that, which is quite easy, obviously. It's definitely going to beat, isn't it? Too fast for the hammer, but we will put a dimmer on it. This dimmer comes on a plug. You plug it in, then you push your plug in, and then you can alter the speed, and then we can have it. I was thinking to cut the slot in there and putting a bearing in with a pin up there through the bearing, through the high point. 2 pieces of angle on either side, you see. You understand it? What I got you somewhere is some we got some dextron. What I was going to do is just go there. Baby, please don't go. What to do with that then? Baby, please don't go down to New Orleans. Alright, switch on. So I got 2 plates like that. You just weld a nut on there, and then you can put a bolt into there. Okay. She's not bad actually. She's pretty. I reckon a boat would go straight in there, but we'll have a look. We'll see. Well, I wish I was in the land of cotton.
Steak and kidney pie and chips, sausage, egg and chips, ham, egg and chips.
Any of the six? You want to go in there and fish up?
Oh, I can't be asked.
I just had, no, you're just asking.
I'm going to have to go into the cold for half hour, look.
You wouldn't be. You'd be setting the van in the wall.
Yeah, you would be.
You would be as well. Park right outside the fucking place. You're wrong, you're fucking again. Rob, shut your fucking mouth and don't talk to anybody. You're never going to be in the right for any fucking thing on this planet. The welding clang. The boys from the welding stuff. Did you see the way he welded that? It was a fucking disgrace. Stay there. Don't come any closer. Right, we're just going to weld on this, ladies and gentlemen. Because what you're telling me is we're going to have an engine on yours spinning like a madman, bouncing something all over the fucking place. I don't like welding. Oh no, I love it. See, your tendency is to pick it up all the time. I dream about it. Every time. I dream sweet dreams. Well, will you look? Will you look at my puddle? Will you look at my puddle? If I fell off, I'd want my money back. So we're going to weld 2 nuts on the holes, both sides, and then tighten bolts which will tighten down onto the motor and clamp it in there. If I can take that off my head just in case anybody's at the back watching me. They already think I'm a spaceman. I know there's a bucket of water out the back. We can draw back down through there then, and then this can go on, so this will be movable, and that's it really. That's my little saddle. I could have done flat plate, but where the hell am I going to get flat plate from? Come on, be honest. What I might actually do is just shove 2 shims down the sides like that, you know, and then tighten up onto the shim, not actually onto the motor. That's how my brain works. That's how my brain works. You know, I left plenty of room here. I've left a 1/4 inch, so.
Did you call me up? Hey, you! Get your hand up, you cracker!
Like or dislike. Please subscribe. Thanks folks. God bless you. Hi there are a few links to more videos at the end. Don't take life too serious, life's too short for that nonsense.